Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another recipe of how to make chicken jalfrezi. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section down below. So let's get started. The things we need to make chicken jalfrezi are half kg boneless chicken cut in cubes like this, 1 red capsicum diced, 1 yellow capsicum diced, 1 green capsicum diced, 1 diced onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon Garm Masala. Now let's get started. Take a pan, add oil and heat it. Then add ginger garlic paste, and add chicken. Cook for 5 minutes, so the chicken should look like this, and add salt. Add red chili powder, black pepper powder, Garm Masala. Mix everything nicely. Now cook for more 10 minutes so the chicken is fully cooked. After that, we will add yogurt in it. When less water is left over, add capsicum. So I'm adding red first, then yellow, and now green. Adding green chilies as well. After mixing everything, I'm adding onions. Now we will cook this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, everything should combine nicely like this. And there you go, our chicken jalfrezi is ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.